to keep mountain braces. Careful of your nose.
Say that again.
Be careful of your nose when you're swinging back. And there you have it, nice and tight.
Yeah, lovely.
And these stairs are rolled and not straight or anything, it's like this here. This is all over the place, but this is a twist, so this will high voltage this in as well.
Looking good, Hughie. You certainly know your stuff, mate.
Yeah. One wonder completed. Now we've just got another 4 to go. Always mark your wonders as well.
So Hughie, just talk me through this a minute. You've got a piece of carpet there and it's got a number 4 on it.
So it's got W4, which is 1
Yeah.
to 4. So what we do, we measure up. We measure them from 1 to whatever it goes up to. In this case, it's 7. Or if you wanted to count, I counted this little one here as a landing.
Yeah. So have you pre-cut that bit of carpet?
Yeah, we pre-cut it to size, overcut it. Always check your pile direction as well. So you always walk into the pile of the carpet. See it changing colour?
Yeah.
So you always want it to, when you're walking up the stairs, the pile goes up, when you're coming down, it brings it down. But it's So, what we do, so obviously what you've got to do, because the winder's at an angle, you've got to get the pile of the carpet across the nose of the step.
Yeah.
See it there as a... Yeah?
Yep.
So what that does, if I was to put it straight,
Yes.
that's going to look odd.
Yep.
The carpet won't look right on the step. So what you want to do, you always go with
Yes.
the nose of the step, yeah?
Okay, I can see that.
So you see I've got it on an angle now.
Yeah.
So as we're walking up the stairs, the carpet will turn with us. You understand?
Yeah.
It's the same with a pattern carpet, etc, etc. When you think with stripes, you can't bend stripes. There is a way to do it, but we'll show you that later on in other videos. But with this, you always keep it, so you turn it across the nose, so the nose, whatever way the nose is going, that's when you know you'll get a straight on the pile, yeah?
Okay.
And we just push her into place like that, because we know we've got her straight now. And you get a bolster, tap it into the cusp of the gripper. Right way along, so it can't move, so the carpet can't move now. And what you do is get your hook or a straight, just take the extra off at the top. Then what we do, these are what we call release cuts. So from here, I'm going to do a release cut from here. Alright, so that just lets that tuck into that. Loose again now. And the same this side. Like that. Take your excess off this side. So what that allows it to do, the carpet's released now to go over the nose of the step. So we fold this back in to know where we got to, so about that much, so I'll take about that much off in there. Straight down like so. Again, so we know we've got enough here, yeah? And we can put a turn on that, like so. So get that down a little bit further. More side carpet in here. So what we need to do is to nip it down a little bit more. And turn her again. So, again what we're doing, we're just whittling the carpet away. Because what happens is, if you've got too much carpet in there, tucking it into the gripper, it can bulge a bit. Bang on these doors. So I'm going to very gently just tap that to that there like that. Still got an anchor here. So now we come this side. That's off of that. So, and the same here. So all we're doing is we're going down, we're just cutting bits of the carpet back to get the right bit so we don't hit the underlay, but we can actually cut that back a little bit further. Off of that. spot on now. And it comes round and down. And now you've got your step just starting to fold and take shape. Again, this axis out of the way. So now that we've folded everything in place, we can actually start tucking this now. So my fit is just bolster this straight in and then cut the excess off. I don't like to do that because you can cut it short sometimes. So what we do is we just take the excess from here, and when we've got it folded back, we know that we've got plenty of access here to when we tuck it. So I'll show you from here. So we've got that access there. And all we do, we know once we're tucking it in, it's nice and tight.
Yes.
See?
Yep.
You get a nice finish. Yeah? And then you just repeat the process, so on and so forth, straight the way across.
That looks a bit dodgy to me, Hughie, with that blade. Any else, some safety tips on this?
Don't cut your hand off. If you can help it.
Don't bleed on the carpet.
And don't bleed. That was me being silly with LVT the other day. With a straight blade, and I should have been using a concave, so anyway,
Oh.
stuck myself like a pincushion. So again here, so we take the fold back here, you get your hand, you see my fingers in place there, so that gives me a guide of where I need to cut. So what I do is I pull the carpet back from there, again coming across, so there, you can actually take this axis out if you wanted, and then again come across and make that cut like that. And again, if you've got a little bit too much in there, like I think I might have a little bit too much, you can actually take the access from the back. So this is what we call cutting out a dart. Like so.
So that again?
It's what we call a dart. Okay. So now you can see it's starting to sit flat, and all we do, it just sits in nice and tight.
Yeah.
And there we have it. So now we've got the contour again of the step. So now everything's folded and everything. Again, if you want to, you can get a bit of spray. It's all in place here. Again, some people, I don't do this all the time, it's just sometimes get a bit of spray, across the nose, so hold everything nice and tight. Go. So, because these stairs are old as well, they're not very straight, so you can start to pucker a bit. So, do that. Let's change our hook. So when I'm cutting in the sides here now, some people use a hook. Right, you get to the cusp of the carpet, you get your finger and your thumb are a guide so you don't start cutting into the skirting board. The guy who taught me, if you see me doing this, he would not be a happy man. He was always meant to use a straight and back cut everything. But it is effective and you can do it like that. So then, now that I've cut the excess off, just get a tuck. And by the way, I didn't do that, it's been there already, that's how old that is. I'll do it again. So now we're pretty much fixed to the step. Stop. Right, then again, this is the last bit. Now that we're in here, we're all straight, all tight. Again, bolster, just tap away. Side. Down to the end. And then from the middle. Again, watch the nose.
I'll watch it.
That you don't bonk yourself. And just keep tapping away. And everyone holds a bolster differently. I mean, I tend to hold it in place like that, come across, tend to whack my hand as well.
That's a lovely tool, that bolster.
And that's it, pretty much. There you have it.
Ready for the next one?
Next one, yeah. Terrible habit I have of hitting my hand with that bloody mug. Keep hitting right in the same place as well. Because I hold the bloody. I don't know what it is. I just like to hold the bolster like that.
Yeah.
But on occasion I keep moving too quick. I tend to whack my hand there. But it's.
Well, thanks for that, Hughie.
No worries.
That really is a masterclass. I don't think I'll be doing this myself too soon, but I'm glad I've seen it done.
Fantastic.
We'll let you carry on. Bye for now, mate.
Bye bye.